Hi, Lion King again with another sweet, short, cute story. So, today I'm going to talk about myself. You know what? I worked as a gardener once upon a time when I was working in a garden. Don't ask me why, because I love greenery, I love flowers, especially roses, because I can give them to somebody I love. I constantly play with soil, but I have my own problems. My life is not so rosy. And whenever I used to play with soil, I used to have lot many infections. I got several sebaceous cysts of skin, especially on scalp and back. And when I'm plowing the garden area, I found some remnant long bones, skull and jaws, which had osteomas all over. I was frightened, became unconscious. However, I was taken to hospital and the dentist there said I had hypercementosis, multiple unerupted supernumerary teeth, and also compound odontomas. Please tell me which syndrome I'm suffering from. I'm really worried. Please help this Lion King.